I kept your note by the sink, folded small, one soft. Still got the crease from your hand on the corner, on and on. Your mug sits on the shelf, blue ring by the rim. I pass it when I leave, like I'm checking if you're in. I try to let it fade, but it keeps coming back. Every room says your name, every step leads back. Come back to me, come back to me. I'm still where you left me. Come back to me, come back to me, come back to me. I take the hurt if you stay. The corner store still knows me. Said you came by once, bought 2 oranges, 1 black tea. Then you turned around, I laughed at the wrong song in that borrowed cab. Saw your face in the glass and it hit me back. I try to let it go, but it keeps coming through. Every little thing turns me toward you. Come back to me, come back to me, come back to me. Oh, I'm still where you left me. Oh, I take the hurt if you stay. If I was wrong, I know I said it too hard. If you still got a place, save it in your heart. I'm not asking for clean, I'm not asking for new. Just one honest night and a sign from you. Come back to me, come back to me. I'm still